Welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. Today I Taruna Saini teaching you mathematics will teach you exercise 10.4. So till now we have discussed question number 1 to 3 in this exercise, and today we will discuss question number 4 to 6. So as you know that what we are studying in this exercise, equal chords and their distance from the center. So what we have seen that if there are circles and this is a center, then these chords are at equal distance. The distance is equal. If the chords are equal, then distance is equal, and the reverse is also true. If distance are equal, you can say that chords are equal, and if the chords are equal, then you can say distance from the center is equal. Do remember that we are talking only about the distance, perpendicular distance from the center, perpendicular distance, and that too from the center. So let us do next 3 questions of this exercise. That is question number 4. If a line intersect two concentric circles. If a line intersect two concentric circles. So firstly understand the meaning of concentric circles. Concentric, centric means center, co means common. Co means common and C means center. So two circles in such a way that their center is common. So these are known as concentric circles. Fine. Two circles are said to be concentric if they have same center. If they have same center is same, then circles are said to be concentric. So what is the question? Let us do now. If a line intersect two concentric circles, these are the two concentric circle, a line is intersecting at which center? O is the center common to both, and intersect at A, B, C and D. What you have to prove that this AB is equal to this CD. So as you have studied in this exercise that the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects it. So if I talk about this smaller circle, circle 1, then what you see that OM is perpendicular to the BC. Where what is OM beta? OM is perpendicular drawn from center टू कोड. परपेंडिकुलर डला है कोड पर. कोड इज BC इज कोड. तो जब परपेंडिकुलर कोड से डला हुआ होता है तो क्या होता है? इट बाइसेक्ट्स द कोड. सो दिस BM इज इक्वल टू this BC. In circle 1 what we observe that BM is equal to BC because perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord is equal. You have to write the theorem in the bracket. And if we talk about the circle 2, in circle 2 bigger circle also AD is the chord and OM is the perpendicular. OM is perpendicular to the chord AD. So we can write AM is equal to MD. So you subtract 2 and 1. Find the difference. AM minus BM. So from AM BM is deducted. So what you get? You are left with AB and MD minus MC. So you get BC CD. So here you get the answer. AB is equal to CD. What we have done? Let us repeat. I have drawn a perpendicular. OM perpendicular BC. So BM is equal to CM and OM also perpendicular to AD. Then AM is equal to DM. Then 2 minus 1 AM minus BM is equal to DM minus CM. So AM minus BM, you are left over with AB, and DM minus DC is equal to CD. So AB is equal to CD, hence proved. Now question number 5. Three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. What is the question? That there are three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep. They are playing and they are playing in a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Reshma throws a ball to Salma and Salma throws to Mandeep and Mandeep throws to Salma. And the distance between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each. Reshma and Salma distance is 6 and Salma and Mandeep. And what you have to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. Let us understand the diagram again. There are three girls. One is Reshma, Salma, Mandeep. Reshma throws ball to Salma. Salma throws ball to Mandeep. And there is a distance between them is 6 meter. You have to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. And this circle has radius of 5 meter. So what we have to do, firstly in this question we will use a property, that is area of a right triangle. Area of a right triangle we will use in this question, that is half into base into height. We will use this fact to solve this question. This question can be solved by using Pythagoras theorem, and this by using this method it is very short. So let us understand the question. Let us draw the circle. Let us draw Reshma, Salma, Mandeep. Reshma, Salma, Mandeep. Let O be the center. Reshma, Salma distance is 6. We have to find this distance. And the radius is 5. Radius is 5. So let it be L. So I am talking about triangle ORS. ORS. So the general formula of triangle is half into base into height. Half into base into height. Area of triangle is half into base into height. So what you observe from here, this is a center, this is a chord, so this is perpendicular. Perpendicular to the chord bisects it. Okay, so base is, we take base OS and height this RL. Height this RL. What is OS? OS is also a radius. So OS is equal to 5. So half into 5 into RL. I have taken base OS and height. Height we have to take the perpendicular distance, that is RL. This OS is equal to 6. OS is 6 and this RL we have to find out. Then we will double it and we will find the distance. We will also use the Pythagoras in this question. So understand how we will use the Pythagoras in this question. Reshma, Salma, Mandeep, distance, this is center. So I am taking this time base RS. I am talking base RS. I am taking triangle ORS. This is RL. So I have drawn a perpendicular from O. Let it be P. Now if I talk about, this is 5 because this is a radius, and the distance, this is 6, and perpendicular drawn from the center. This is a perpendicular drawn from the center and on the chord RS. So the distance is 6, so it will be 3 and 3. So we can find OP. So in triangle ORP we get OR square is equal to RP square plus OP square. OR is 5 RP is 3 and OP we are finding. 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, OP. So 25 minus 9 is 16 and OP is equal to 4. So here you get 4. So we are talking about triangle ORS. So from here the area is half into base is 6, height is 4, and earlier what we have find out, half base at that time I have taken OS, that is 5, and RL. So 2 cancelled by 2, this is 24, this is 5. 24 divided by 5 is equal to RL, that is 4.8, and RL is the half of RM. So RM is equal to 9.6. In this manner you will solve this question. Got it? What I taught you, that we will take the triangle ORS, we will equate area of triangle half into base into height in both the way, half into base into height. One time I have taken another base, in that case base is 6, height is 4. In another case I have taken base 5 and height is we don't know, that is RM, RL. Then this 2 cancelled by 2, 24, 5 into RL is equal to 24 upon 5, that is 4.8. So it is 9.6. Then question number 6. What you have to do in question number 6, understand. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 friends are there, Ankur, Syed and David, at equal distance. So let the distance is 2x, so that when we do the half it will be x. Find the length of the string, means you have to find the 2x, and the circle radius is 20. So what you have to do, beta, you just join it. So let it be h, or you can take y, whatever. This is 20 and this is, you can take radius is 20, and you use Pythagoras theorem here. This is also x, this is x. So use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So here you have hypotenuse, here you have perpendicular, here you have base. So use h square is equal to p square plus b square. And next time when you draw the diagram, there are 3 friends, Ankur, Syed, Ahmed, Ankur, Syed, David. Then in this triangle you use Pythagoras theorem. Again the radius is 20, this is h, this is x. So in 2 triangles you have to use Pythagoras theorem. Then you equate and find x and h. In place of h you can also take y. You can see here, Ankur, Syed and David are sitting, so we have taken the distance as 20 from the center, xx. So I have taken 2x here, and use Pythagoras theorem firstly in this diagram, and then use Pythagoras theorem in complete diagram. Okay, so try to solve. If there is any problem, we will have the live lecture tomorrow, so you can ask. Thank you so much. God bless you.